Okay, so we've got the what I'm terming the harmonic balancer, even though it's certainly not, doesn't have a rubber buffer in here, but it is a balanced arrangement. The nut, which I can't see because it's covered up, but that's a nut rather. It's a stud, fine thread stud, and it's torqued to 240 newton meters. I searched that one on the net. So here's our shaft. So to get this one out and in, you separate it from here. You can see I've cleaned it up and got some nice clean grease on it. And in here there's a clamp that clamps onto the input shaft of the transmission. So I'll just leave it there, and when I've got this installed here, this is the mechanical front drive into the diff of the steerers, what I'm calling the back end of the steerers, and that goes to there. And it's got these sleeves, which I'll show again also. Now if you see, I had an issue here, this pipe coming down from the top. While you've got all this out, as in this shaft out, it's just a matter of a nut up the top and a 12mm stud into the gearbox, that bracket that holds that pipe, and there's an O-ring in it. Now I had a bit of a weep on that, so it's a good opportunity to do that while you're at it. So I've done that. I'm about to tighten up our uni joint and my clamp, and then I shall set another video with regards to the sliding sleeve that is the mechanical drive shaft. Okay, see you for round 4.